Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, you really can't ask for a much better way to start the work week, Justin.
No, can't get much better than this, Sarah. We've got some great temperatures, humidity's low, sunshine's out in full force. You can see over East Lansing currently plenty of that sun, just a few stray clouds in the sky, but overall really nice evening. 75 degrees over MSU. And the satellite and radar not showing a whole lot of activity this evening. Very clear all across the area outside of those fair weather cumulus clouds that are here and there. Now, the high temperatures today got into the mid-70s for Lansing, upper 70s for Jackson. Most everybody was right around that 77-degree range, roughly 75 to 77 degrees. And we're currently sitting in about that spot. So we're close to the warmest temperatures of the day right now all across the region. And again, as I mentioned, humidity's down. We're only mid-40s to upper 40s dew points in most locations, low 50s at best. That means we've got some nice dry and comfortable air to deal with as well. Now you look at the heat bubble, which is still in place, been in place for quite a few days across areas of the plains. 96 in North Platte, 94 degrees in Wichita. We've got the warm air staying off that way, but that is going to close in on us now that we have this heat bubble starting to move a little bit further to the east. And it's eventually going to encompass us over the next couple days. It's going to get real hot. We're going to see temperatures like that in the plains. Now for right now, again, most of the clouds staying south of the state line or west of Lake Michigan. We back out, we get a better idea of that. A little bit of rain associated with a low further into the south, and that's over towards the Atlantic shoreline. And then we have a couple other small disturbances, one near Minnesota, another one way down in the bottom corner of your screen there towards New Mexico. But you see all across our region we're staying dry. That's going to continue to be the theme as it was this past weekend and over the next several days as well. So as we put future track into motion for you here, note the wind streamlines that I have here. They're very light, not showing a whole lot of change in not only direction of the wind but also the speed. As we run through the couple of times here in the hour by hour, you see by tomorrow afternoon after the morning hours, again, just a few clouds popping up, but those will just be fair weather cumulus clouds. As we head into the evening, those start to fade away into our overnight period, and we'll have a mostly clear sky once again, allow temperatures back into the 50s. That's going to be the last 50s low temperature night that we have for quite some time, as we're going to have some warm air filing back in. We still have the sunshine in place for Wednesday as well. So as I mentioned earlier, great night to grill out there. The Fox 47 Storm Shield Grillcast here has really nice conditions all the way through this evening. Lots of sunshine. Temperature is going to be very comfortable in those 70s, and then they're going to fall right off because we're staying clear tonight. After the sun goes down, we'll eventually fall into those lower 50s in most locations overnight. Now tomorrow, back up to around 83, 84 degrees. It'll be a little bit warmer than it was today. Wind's going to be very light out there. Just a couple of those fair weather clouds later on in the day. Now the long range outlook has got us in that above average temperature grade for later in the month as we head towards July. So we'll continue to see some of the hot weather, and you're going to see some really hot weather these next couple days in our 7-day. Again, we're mid 80s Wednesday. By Thursday, some folks could touch 90, and then Friday, I think almost everyone is in the 90s. Could be a similar story Saturday before we have a few areas of some showers and storms creep in. Now that continues, unfortunately, right now. It looks like into Father's Day Sunday. We're hoping that that ends up not being the case for dads everywhere by the time we get there, Sarah. Something to keep an eye on in the forecast. One thing's for sure, next couple days is going to be very hot and very dry.
Sure seems like it. Justin, thank you.